We're here at KJ Plumbing to talk with some local plumbers about their experiences with the Symmons shower valve.
The seats are very tough to get out.
9.5 out of 10 times, you're ripping that valve out.
Sometimes the tool itself will strip the brass. And then when that happens, you have to replace the whole valve.
And it takes hours, and some people aren't expecting to pay that much because they go, oh, it's just a drip.
The Zip Seat Extractor makes this job absolutely easy as pie.
That's too easy. Wow, that's very useful.
So easy. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Right out. Where has this been my whole life?